Kiwi companies are renowned for their innovative solutions and ability to solve problems creatively by using tools and technology. This is why 3D printing and laser cutting is so transformative within New Zealand.
The rate of innovation and an increasingly competitive landscape means that quick in-house manufacturing of prototypes and even end-use parts is incredibly valuable to businesses, and without the need for expensive specialized equipment or years of technical knowledge.
Imagine the impact of engineers and designers being able to physically realize and test their design iterations within hours of completion compared to the days or weeks typically required for outsourcing. Faster iterations, better refinement, and a better product that outcompetes others. What about being able to make jigs and fixtures out of advanced materials to optimize the way your business produces or creates its products? Not via expensive manufacturing contractors, but in-house with your own 3D printer and the knowledge of the right materials to use for your specific needs.
Technology is great, and new technologies are often very exciting, but in many cases lack the support required to get through implementation into your business. That's why here at MindKits, it's critical that you have a post-purchase support network of technical engineers you can reach out to anytime with all of your specific requirements. 80% of our customers are from companies that have already owned a 3D printer and understand that the value of a 3D printer is not just in the physical machine itself, but that there's a support network and the overall reliability and integration of the machine into your particular workflow that's critical to its actual usage.
One of the most common mistakes we see with small Kiwi businesses, right up to the large corporations, is companies mistaking the capital purchase for the total cost to own the technology.
Why would a company choose to purchase a $2,000, $4,000, or even $8,000 3D printer over a cheapy $500 machine? The answer is total cost of ownership. How much time does staff need to put into managing the printer? Does it do what you actually need? Is it reliable? Does it support the types of materials that you may need for a specific job? Does it support a wide range of materials so that you have the ability to chop and change between different options depending on your output requirements? How much time is needed to get up to speed with all of the quirks and pains of a particular machine? Can the machine run unattended for long periods of time? Or one of the most important questions is, does it actually have an electrical certification for New Zealand so that your insurance is honoured? And what was the actual true cost of owning that machine over time, given all of the other aspects of what needed to be learned and worked through in order to get it to work for you correctly?
One of the saddest moments for me is when working with hundreds of Kiwi businesses is what happens when the team get a run of failures and then put the cheapy 3D printer or the laser cutter in the corner and stop using it. What's the cost to the business where 3D printing never becomes a core technology for design and for making their business better? It's a terrible missed opportunity and one that we stake our name on avoiding.
This is the total cost of ownership and one of the hardest hidden costs to uncover when talking about the implementation of a digital manufacturing technology into your company. Here is our list of some more of the biggest hidden costs and learning curves companies face when looking to implement 3D printing into their company. Material characteristics. Confused by all the options, so you just tend to go with what you know? Reach out to us. We have a phenomenal amount of material experience, and if you can give us a use case for what you're wanting to do with your part, we can pretty much guarantee to tell you what the right material is for your job. We stock a wide range of materials for pretty much every type of application you could imagine, including a wide range of colors. And amongst that, we have the actual scientific knowledge to understand why you would use a particular material or chemical for a use case. For example, when an architect wants to print a house, you can't just take that model and throw it at the print software. There is an understanding that's required and how to take that from your CAD package and output that in a way that's going to be appropriate for 3D printing and generate a nice assemblable model when you're completed. What would it be like if specific profiles were already available for you to download and install so that you could have essentially a one-click print process for complex materials? What would it be like if these were available off the shelf and tuned to your needs? In fact, that's exactly what you get with Cura, where there's a material marketplace and you can go in and install a third-party material profile and have one-click printing straight out of the box. Not just local support, but local knowledge, design, materials, workflows. Get the answers that you need for your unique digital manufacturing project. Your time is important. Talk directly to the right people. No middleman, no digital answering service from an offshore system. Just local Kiwi knowledge on global brands, and people that know how to make the best business decision for your needs and make sure that you get a maximum return on investment, not a machine that sits in the corner gathering dust.
I'd like to invite you to join MindKits for an in-house demonstration or a video chat to scope your needs and the options available. We're here waiting to hear from you so that we can work with you to find the right solution for your budget and your needs for 3D printing. Thank you.